Computer information systems kind of throws folks for a loop a little bit because that management word is taken out of this. This is more at the architecture side of the house. We look at MIS. With MIS, we're interacting with the business folks. What is it that you need to see? Gathering requirements. And so that's more of a social position, or can be more of a social position, as information is gathered with respect to what the business system needs to do, who's going to use it, and how they're going to interact with it. For INF, it's more of taking those requirements and how do I architect the system? How do I build that system? So it's more focused on the technical than it is on the business aspects. Even though in the INF, there is an elective for accounting to get that side of it, it's more focused on networking, computer programming, database design, and system architecture. This program is also part of the 3+1 program that I'll talk to a little bit later with Rowan University. You get a Bachelor of Arts degree in Computing and Informatics located at RCBC. I guess I'll talk a little bit more about that later. So some courses: hardware, software, people, and processes. Again, database design and development. But here we have data analytics and organizational system design. So the system organization and the security built into this. In addition to that, we have, for computer systems analysts, right, we have some occupation growth there from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. And there's a tremendous amount of information available at the US BLS website if you're interested in finding out more or filtering on what you would like to see. Again, UGR, or student research, SRS, what we call it today, working with faculty and industry partners. And we've done some big data analytics using our computer algorithm analysis and language comparisons with respect to, one language, is it faster than another at a certain task, or is the other language faster at a different task? And then some security scan algorithms we actually developed for Lockheed Martin. And again, the same industry partners that I work with: Advanced Science Technologies, Price Systems, and ITT. Careers and salary expectations. Again, the money's really high. You can be a computer user support specialist and interact with people on a regular basis, or get a 4-year degree, work your way up to a computer network architect, and 6 figures. There are so many different occupations available with respect to computer information systems, as well as the other two. Yeah, a couple of years ago, we started this researching this and working this with Rowan University. We have this 3+1 Bachelor of Arts in Computing and Informatics. And there are 2 degree programs at RCBC that feed into it. One is the AS.INF, or the Computer Information Systems program, and the other is the Cybersecurity program. So an Associate of Science in Computer Information Systems or in Cybersecurity can earn your Bachelor of Arts in Computing and Informatics from Rowan University at RCBC. And so the idea here is to take 3 years of courses through RCBC at the RCBC tuition level, and then the 4th year also at RCBC or online at a reduced Rowan University tuition cost. And so you could actually get a 4-year degree coming to RCBC in Mount Laurel, but your 4-year degree would be through Rowan University. It's a BA in Computing and Informatics. And some of the careers are technical application training, software quality assurance testing, support technicians, infrastructure administrators, programmers. And so the idea behind the program is to build a foundation in computing, application development, project management as well, database implementations, and infrastructure platforms. So it's a pretty broad brush. And transfer credits from other schools can transfer in with an associate's degree from another school into RCBC and take advantage of this 3+1. So how's it work? You complete freshman to junior years. That's 90 credits at RCBC, paying RCBC costs. And then the senior year, take the Rowan University courses at Rowan University cost, but at the RCBC campus. So there's a lot of more information available at those links that you have, that you see there. But basically, that's what it is. 3 years through RCBC at that cost, and then the final year also physically at RCBC or online. Many of the courses are offered online through Rowan University, and the degree is a Rowan University degree.